Ever wondered why we can't just grow new body parts, like a starfish? Well, it turns out we're getting closer to that reality, thanks to some bright minds over at the University of Montana. In a world where we can send a man to the moon, order a pizza with a single click, and find out who was the third president of the United States in less than 2 seconds. It was Thomas Jefferson, by the way. It's about time we figured out how to regenerate human cartilage. Using stem cells, specifically neural crest cells, these researchers have managed to create craniofacial organoids that mimic the structure and function of cartilage. Now, if you're wondering what a craniofacial organoid is, you're not alone. Let's just say, it's a fancy term for teeny tiny pieces of lab-grown cartilage. This development could be a real game changer for people with degenerative joint diseases and craniofacial defects. Imagine a future where a trip to the doctor for a new piece of cartilage is as common as getting a flu shot. But don't get too excited yet. There's still a significant hurdle to overcome: tissue rejection. It's like that time you tried to introduce your new boyfriend to your cat. The cat wasn't having any of it, and neither is our body when it comes to foreign tissue. So, while this news is exciting, we're not quite ready to open a store for spare body parts. But the researchers aren't giving up. They're hard at work trying to figure out how to make our bodies accept these new pieces of cartilage, like a cat accepting a new human in its life. To sum it up, the University of Montana has brought us one step closer to becoming real-life starfish, regenerating our body parts as needed. But until they figure out the whole tissue rejection thing, maybe don't go cartwheeling down a flight of stairs just yet. Remember, we're not quite starfish yet. So here's to the brilliant minds at the University of Montana, turning science fiction into science fact, one piece of lab-grown cartilage at a time.